So, having shown how to adjust the stick, we're now going to show you an actual demonstration of the 4 stances. Starting with the fixed stance, 1 foot forward, the body slightly bent, the non-bowling hand sliding down the thigh and resting. It is very important that you get this hand to be in the same position, and it is linked to the height of the bowl off the surface. Now, the bowler is showing how he's just getting his momentum and not releasing the bowl because there's no acceleration. It's just a rocking backwards and forward. So I'll get him to stop there, and then we'll take up the position for a fixed bowl stance. Hand, arm straight, back foot turned to 45 degrees, and he's going to rock forward to 7 o'clock, back to 4 o'clock, and from the shoulder he'll accelerate and release between the feet. Thank you. Beautiful. And we'll do one more of those in that fixed position. So he's adjusted the bowl, he's got his hand sliding down so he's got that matching to the height of the stick off the ground, which is your 50 millimeters. He's got his back foot turned 45 degrees for angle, and everything is coming from a straight arm and shoulder rotation. And here we go, fixed stance. Beautiful. We'll now go to the wide stance. Again, we have adjusted the stick in between each of these demonstrations to make sure that as each stance has its own height regulation so that it is 50 millimeters off the ground. We'll grab the next bowl and demonstrate. This is the wide stance. Again, you'll see the arm is straight, the hand of the non-bowling hand resting on the thigh, so it matches the height of the bowl off the ground. He's now going to rock forward 7 o'clock, back to 4, 7 o'clock, back to 4, and now accelerating this one through the feet and delivering the bowl. Fantastic. We'll just try that one again, that wide stance. The things you're looking out for are the straight arm, the resting hand on the non-bowling hand, the slight bend to get the at maximum of distance from the ground, rock forward 7, back 4, and accelerating through 6. That is the wide stance. We'll now try the very straight stance. Remembering, we have adjusted these sticks to match these in between each delivery. Most important with the wide stance is making sure you've got your balance, and that all comes from your footwork. Again, the non-bowling hand is resting on the thigh, matching the distance from the stick to the ground, and we'll see again, it's the rock forward 7, back to 4, rock forward, back to 4, and rock forward, back, and accelerating through to 6. The number of times that you swing through, totally up to yourself. We'll do this one without any swings at all. Bowler will take his very straight stance, he's got his balance, he's got his hands on non-bowling hand at the right position, and now he's going to rock 7, 4, and deliver at the feet. Again, very, very important with the head to watch the bowl come out of the cup at the 6. This is common for all of our deliveries. We're now going to try the step forward. Now, as you remember when we showed you how to adjust it, we've adjusted this at the point of delivery, and then we've worked backwards so that we've got the stance right. The hand is now sliding down the left leg to match again the distance of the bowl to the ground to be 50 millimeters. He will then rock forward, step, when he's ready, he'll rock forward, step, and deliver. He rocks forward with the foot, it still goes to 7 o'clock forward, goes back to 4 o'clock. As it passes backwards to the 6 o'clock on the reverse area, that is where he steps forward. When it hits the 4 o'clock mark at the back, he will then come through and deliver at his feet. Let's watch that this time. Forward 7, back 4, forward 4, and onto 6.